delta y is what's this equation? We're about to do this equation. Vi delta t squared plus a delta t. Now, if I look at this, I'm going to go, not a good choice. I don't have time. I could work it out, but 5 marks, definitely not what they want. So it's not that equation. The equation I want to use is this one. Vf squared equals Vi squared plus 2a delta y. Okay? Vf squared is nice because it's 0. Alright? Vi is 4 and was going up. Now watch here, I said up was positive, so this is minus 9,8 times delta y. Very important here, okay? That's naught. 4 squared is 16. That's minus 19,6 delta y. I'm going to take the delta y over because I want to solve for delta y, so it becomes positive. I would now divide both sides by 19,6, and I'm going to get 0,82 meters. I get a positive answer. Remember, you're looking at position, but what does this positive answer tell me? It was going up. And that's exactly what I expected. It went 0,8 meters above where it started because that was my positive, all right? Now, I haven't answered the question because it said 6 meters originally. So, my maximum height is going to be the 0,82 plus the 6. So it's going to be 6,82 meters above the ground. Don't forget the position, okay? So, number 1 done. Let's look at number 2. So we've got the same question, and now it says to us, calculate the time taken to reach the maximum height. Well, we know that my maximum height was 0,82 meters from A to B. They just want to know how long it takes to get up there. I want to try and avoid using delta y because what if I got it wrong? What if we didn't get it right? And plus there's an easier equation, because look here. Vf equals Vi plus a delta t. Now watch what I'm going to do here. Vf was 0 to get to part B. Vi is 4. What mustn't I forget? This is minus 9,8 delta t. I know I've made a mistake if time works out to be a negative number. So if I don't put that minus 9,8, I'm going to end up with negative time. So somehow, and I know we work on a very special planet with science, we've managed to have time go backwards while it was thrown up in the air. Never ever going to happen, okay? So delta t, so it's going to be 9,8 delta t equals 4. Alright, so I'm going to have to divide 4 by 9,8, so it's going to give me a tiny time, which is 0,41 seconds. Now you go back to the question, you go, well, does that make sense? Considering it only took 1,6 seconds to get down, for it to use 0,41 to get up, that's okay. If I've got an answer bigger than 1,6, I'd go, ooh, I've made a mistake, because that was the total time. Alright? There are lots of other questions we can ask you with this, but we're not going to. Ooh, no, I've missed one. Okay, there's actually a third question which we're not going to do, and we're going to leave that for now. It's got to do with graphs. So, what we're going to do, is I need you to think about what we've just done. We're going to take a break. Okay, so we've done a couple of questions, and then when we come back, we're going to do a momentum question, but this time I'm going to let you try it first. Okay, so we're going to take a short break, and then we're going to jump into some momentum. So we'll see you in a little bit.
No, really? What's a re-
A flag made up of 2.5 million plants in a solar field
parents took it to go antiquing. They could be gone for a while. They said something about finding the perfect Amish butter dish. And I know what I have to do.
The first place we need to start when we look at turkey is what makes up American turkey. Questions on the screen so you can see it, and I'm going to give you, I'm going to split it up, so I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do the first part of the question, and then I'm going to give you 2 minutes to do 2.2, alright? So here's your first 2 minutes, and I want you to do, let's just read the question first, and then I'll give it to you, so we're all on the same track. So we've got a man of mass 87 kilograms on roller skates, moving horizontally, constant speed, great. Sees a boy of mass 22, so it's a little boy, standing in his path. The man grabs the boy and they continue in a straight line at 24 meters per second. You're going to need to calculate the man's speed just before he grabs the ball, and then tell me whether it's an elastic or inelastic collision with a calculation. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes, and you're now going to do 2.1, so your time starts now.
Messages on making options. We ain't gonna. It down to me, and I turned it into the bike babe. Well, enough chit-chat. I gotta get to my competition. You're gonna ride that? What choice do I have? Hey, buddy! Clyde! You found Lynn's bike! It wasn't me. My parents found it. They weren't as lucky with the butter dish, though. This is great! Maybe there's still time to get it to Lynn before she gets crushed. Lynn Loud! Bring it home the gold! Booyah! You won? That's amazing! Hey, I've got good news, too. Your bike turned up. You keep it. I'm kinda into this bike. keeping one eye out